Today, I'm going to show you my top 7 easiest succulents to thrive in your Central Texas gardens. Number 1, my favorite, the golden barrel cactus, Ichonii, Grisonii, Ichino cactus, something like that. I'll get it right one day. This guy is going to survive both your extreme summers, and y'all know here in Central Texas we get those crazy winters that can throw a lot of our succulents off and kind of kill them. But from my experience, you give these guys a good frost blanket over during the winter time and have survived throughout just fine. They provide you these beautiful yellow flowers that will appear at the crown up here throughout the summer. Number 2 is going to be the Dasylirion Willerii. These guys have survived extreme winters and summers with us. You give them a well-drained soil, potted or in the ground, some supplemental water throughout the summertime. These guys will take off and produce flower stalks during the summertime. Fun fact about the Dasylirion, they produce a delicious alcoholic beverage, the Sotol. That's where that drink comes from. This guy kind of got infected by some pests. I had to soak that with some pesticides to get rid of the mites, I believe, that were building a nest in the base here. But that's cosmetic damage for right now. It'll eventually grow out of that and be beautiful for the years to come. Number 3, for you Ocotillo fans, this gorgeous shrub, such an architectural specimen, scientifically known as the Fucaria splendens. Excuse my pronunciation. Again, you provide that super well-draining soil. Give it a little love. It's gonna go ahead and take off for you. The winter times when it's kind of going to sleep or during like extreme droughts, you'll see it lose its leaves and you'll just get that architectural framing of the dry sticks. These guys are becoming more and more popular here in Central Texas. These guys in the springtime to early summer just light up with some beautiful, beautiful flowers at the tip of their branches here. It almost looks like they're like have flames on the edge of them. All right, number 4, the Puntia, commonly known as the spineless prickly pear. Now, Puntia is just a huge family of cactus where the spineless variety has no thorns to them. A beautiful architectural display as well, especially if you're planting these in masses along, I will say, a driveway or common walkway, because they don't have the spines, definitely a little bit more safer. Going through its bloom cycle, starts off with these gorgeous yellow blooms, ends off the day with turning to an orange hue. Once they bloom, you take those delicious fruit and you can go ahead and make a beautiful drink out of those as well. All right, number 5 is going to be the Yucca Rostrata. These guys are super tough. I've left this guy out in this pot for the past few winters since I've had it, and as you can see, no cover, has done extremely well in the extreme peak of summers. Here I have some Texas native little barrels that I've popped in around it. You cannot go wrong with the Yucca Rostrata. Number 6 is going to be the Nolinas Nelsonii, I believe it was called. Has both green and blue varieties out there. Grows quite large. 2 or 3 of these in the garden for a large garden gives you great specimen sized plants. There also are a huge variety of yuccas in the family group that can definitely survive zones 8+ with no problem. This guy is West Texas native here. This is another gorgeous yucca. Can't remember exactly the exact name of this one, but I'll put it in the comments for y'all. And then we also have some other varieties here in my front yard, commonly known as the red yucca or the Hesperaloes. Not so much actually considered a yucca as I found out in recent years. These are in the family of Hesperaloe. A super drought tolerant, gorgeous stalks of red, yellow, or white flowers on these guys. depending on the variety you get. All right, number 7, agave. Lots of plants in that family. Here we have native to West Texas, the Agave neomexicana. Gorgeous, gorgeous blue tone mixed with that black ends really gives it such a striking focal. I don't know what I just said. If you're a gardener in Central Texas, let me know what you guys think and what your experience has been with the plants that I listed. That's all I got for this video. Drop a comment below. Please give it a thumbs up. I have more videos like this coming to y'all soon. Bye guys.